this weekend, a follower reached out to me and asked me, filling me in on a story that she had started a while back. And basically, this guy she was dating didn't value her. Her self-worth was nothing. She would give him anything. He took advantage of her. So she broke up with him and she blocked him for 1 month. And then she missed having this person who was continuously berating her. And so she unblocked him and sought to, get together with him again. Well, long story short, she got pregnant and now she's blaming him. Of course, he wants nothing to do with it. When you don't value yourself and you allow others to treat you like dirt, you have to stop blaming them when they follow through and they treat you like dirt, because they've shown you who they are from the beginning. When you ask, what do you think this person's intention is? I think it's to continue hurting you because you won't set a boundary and you have no personal self-worth. You need to take responsibility for your part of this. This follower needs to take responsibility. She needs to grow up. She needs to quit blaming all men for being the same. Because if all men are taking advantage of her, it's because she is allowing it. Because when you set a boundary, you tell the other person what you will and won't put up with. You're teaching them how to treat you. And if you don't set a boundary, then think about it. How could anybody respect you if you don't respect yourself? If you make yourself a doormat, why wouldn't people walk on it? It's there, it's available. If you allow things to happen and then you continually want the other person to change, that's fantasy. That's called being emotionally immature. That's called having no self-worth and wanting other people to see that and to try and comfort you and take care of you. And that is not the real world. So stop. If you want a change, you need to make it now. You need to set a boundary. You need to grow up and become an adult. You need to have other people who you invest in. You need to start talking to a therapist and getting an idea what's underneath your low opinion of yourself. When did it happen? Most of these things happen in childhood. Parents treat kids badly, or they neglect them, or uncles or aunts say things to kids that they never get over. Until you do the work of uncovering what's underneath that, you can't really start the process of restoring it. Partners come in and out of our life as our teachers. And when someone continually walks on you, then you are allowing yourself to be walked on. Wake up, get a therapist, get reinvested in taking care of you, and block anyone who doesn't respect a boundary you put between you. And a boundary is as simple as this: I will not allow you to disrespect me or to take me for granted. And if you need to do that, then I am not the person for you. And then stop it. And only give attention to or be with people who value you and think that you are an incredible priority. They want a relationship with you. If they can't get there, then they'll never be a good partner for marriage, for raising kids, or anything else. I give you permission. Block them. Go to therapy and take care of you.